So you started the whole TikTok Shop affiliate 1.5 months ago.
About to hit 30K GMV. That's pretty nuts. It's all AI. Everything. I set up all my calls with Max on Fridays and he tells me what to do. I post those videos over the weekend and then I hit 100K views, make some money off of that.
How do you feel?
Still kind of hard to wrap my mind around it. Like at the moment, it's still kind of like numbers on the screen. Just keeping at it, still posting videos and, hopefully make the most out of Q4.
How much is that in profit?
That'll be around 6K profit plus the bonuses. So in total, I think it comes up to like around 9 to 9.5. Yeah. Thanks, man. Thanks.
I'm super happy for you. Super happy. For the case study, maybe you could walk us through the whole journey, how everything went, and how you ended up here.
I started with the mentorship a while back with the organic stuff. Even when I started, Jacob was still like a coach for the beginners. The whole organic thing was still kind of new. And I stuck in that for a bit. I've been in and out of the mentorship a bit. I saw a bit of success in the organic side, but nothing crazy. I was out of the mentorship for a few months. I saw your latest videos with TikTok Shop. So I set up a call with Sean and I was like, you know what? I'll keep thinking about getting back into this online stuff. I want to try out the TikTok Shop. And Sean was like, bro, you got to hop on it now. Give it a go now. So I did. And then literally.
When was that?
That was a month ago.
Yeah, so started the whole thing a month ago.
Yeah, a month and a half. It's crazy. And the mentors that you guys have for TikTok Shop, Max is a legend, bro. Max is. I set up all my calls with Max on Fridays and he tells me what to do. I post those videos over the weekend and then I hit 100K views, make some money off of that.
Bro, it's literally that. So you started the whole TikTok Shop affiliate 1.5 months ago. How long did it take till the first video start blowing up?
Probably a week into it. My first call was actually with Pepe, and Pepe was like, "Do this and do this," and I just did what he said. And then I made some money off of that. And then Max just took that and then took it to another level.
Maybe you can walk like us through for people who don't know how this whole thing works. You start doing TikTok Shop. What does that mean? Like, what's the first thing you do? How is your day to day?
I live in Fiji, bro, and I think like most of the people who would like be watching this wouldn't even know where Fiji is. It's like a small country in the middle of nowhere, and we don't have TikTok Shop yet. I joined the mentorship, and Pepe hooked me up with some accounts. After I got the accounts set up and warmed up, they're all US accounts. I started posting like 3 days after I got the accounts. A couple of weeks later, I started making some money. But other than that, I like post 2 videos a day. I have 3 accounts.
It's all AI, right?
It's all AI. Everything, like the hooks, the speakers, everything. It's all AI. 100% AI. It's nuts.
You basically start doing the videos, and where do you get the videos from? Does Max give them to you? Does Pepe give them to you? Do you find them? What's the process like?
Most of the videos, Max gives it to me. Like he's just like, this is what works this week. Do this. And because the AI space moves so fast, softwares we were using last month, we don't really use it this month. That's how fast everything changes. It's good to have the mentors because like I hop on a call with Max and Max is like, this works, do this now. And then maybe like a week or 2 down the line, it doesn't work as easy as it did in the beginning, but these guys have their fingers on the pulse, so they know exactly what works next.
Exactly. It's insane how fast it works, especially with like the tools and the concept. It's just like every week something new happens. The first time you saw all of this, what was your reaction? Did you expect it to do that fast, that well, or what did you think?
No, not at all, bro. Like I'm watching the videos that they make because they share the videos that they do. And I'm watching mine and I'm like, fuck, it's not, I'm trying to make it as good as this, but I feel like it's not that good, but it still works. That's pretty crazy, like, And then I'm talking to Max about it and Max is like, you've got the basics of it right. Just a few tweaks and you'll make it better. And sure enough, the next video is like 100,000 plus views.
I think it's so cool that in this space, everyone's like super transparent with their videos. You ask Max, he just shows you his videos. He just shows you like everything. And with dropshipping, it was very different, where you couldn't just show like everything you do, and if somebody else does it, it gets saturated. Here, it's another world.
The incentive structure seems better for this because the mentors have brands, like Pepe's brands and stuff like that. So Pepe is like, he wants to give you the best videos possible so you can blow up because it's a win-win for everybody.
Everyone makes money. Exactly.
And not only those brands, like you guys also have the partnership brands. The 1% method. Yeah, that's pretty crazy too, man. Like, so we don't only work with mentor brands, we also work with other brands that you guys partnered up with. Yeah.
Exactly. And I think like this is also a very big misconception people have is that they can't even start if they don't live in the US or in a country where there's no TikTok shop. I mean, you're from Fiji, from an island, literally.
Yeah.
Or there's
No,
not,
bro.
it's not even
Like
close to being TikTok shop.
doing dropshipping, there were way more barriers to entry for me with dropshipping than with TikTok Shop because like
Hmm.
dropshipping, we don't even have Stripe, we don't have
Hmm.
Shopify payments, none of these things. So even before I got started actually doing a dropshipping business, like setting up was it was such a pain in the ass. But the TikTok Shop, it's pretty straightforward, man. It's so much easier.
With the AI tools, like how long does it actually take you to make one video?
When I started off, it would take me like 2 to 3 hours. But now, since I've gotten used to it, it takes me roughly about an hour to an hour and a half.
So you're actually picky with like what you're doing because we've seen that you can make the decent video in 30 minutes, but if you invest
Yeah.
more time into it, like in the concept especially and the scripting, it makes sense
Yeah.
to take it a little bit slower.
I do want to get more accounts, but because it is taking me a bit of time, getting more accounts is a bit like it's a bit
Yes,
harder
that's the
at the
main
moment.
issue. Yeah.
But other than that, like what I've noticed is even though we have different products we're working on, the scripts and stuff aren't that different. Like minor tweaks here and there to suit the product, but otherwise they're kind of similar.
It's very interesting. It's like it's so cool that you can actually transfer scripts that worked for one product to another product, which was
Yeah.
very difficult to do with organic stuff. Like
Oh,
but with here,
organic.
it's like
Yeah. Going out to places and filming and bro, it's crazy, man. Even like trying to like time sunsets to get the
yes.
perfect video.
Yeah, I know, and the barrier is so much lower here. Like it's so much faster.
Yeah.
Within 1 week, making good videos was virtually impossible organic. Like no one made good videos after a week. It takes a while until you get good. Here, it's just prompting. It's nothing.
Yeah.
The skill is not that crazy. Like it's just prompting videos, which we literally give you.
Like one of the biggest benefits of being in the mentorship is having people just to watch over it, like watch over what you're doing, because then that just cuts out the guessing game, I would say. Like if I was doing it on my own, it's not that you can't do it on your own. It's just like, would you rather spend 3 months to get it right, or would you rather spend a week to get it right?
100%. So what's the main advice you would have to a beginner who's just starting out?
If you've like watched the video this far, like you already kind of got your foot in the door, just set up a call and just get started. Like the AI space moves so fast. If you're thinking about it, just do it. Like how things work right now is, like I said, like a month ago, the softwares that we used a month ago, we don't use them anymore. Like it's changed so fast. So just learn how to write good scripts and know how to make like AI that's as close to realistic as possible. Yeah.
It's literally that, and it's kind of tough to be on top of the game if you do things by yourself. Like I don't know how you would even do it, like every week figuring out what the next AI software is and all of that.
Yeah. Yeah.
And for us, it's very easy to have the whole overview because everyone's testing something, and every week somebody
Yeah.
sees a new thing, and then it's like, oh, this is the new big thing.
Yeah.
So it's kind of simple. Did you tell your friends and family about all this?
Not yet, man. Only just my fiance knows about it. Other than that, I haven't really told anybody.
What did she say?
She's like happy, man. She's like, I've been in for a while. She's been cool about it. And she's like, it was only a matter of time. Just keep working. Yeah.
100%. 100%. And it also shows like how the opportunity actually changes with time. Like you can tell how, okay, you can put in the same exact hours and the same exact work into two different business models, and you're going to make more money here than here, even though you put in the same exact work. Which is kind of crazy to think about. It just shows how much less it matters how good of an entrepreneur you are if you're in the right boat. Like if you're doing the right thing, it's so much more difficult to fuck things up within this because we literally give you a product and the videos. It's just like,
It's been crazy. Like having the group calls as well. The group calls as well have been so good, man. And it's different from the dropshipping group calls because in the dropshipping group calls you can't really show what people are working on.
Yeah.
But with the AI ones, everybody is seeing what everybody's working on, and it works.
Exactly. It's not a problem if somebody steals your concept because like it doesn't take away from you at all because next week it's not going to work anyways. So it's gonna like everything is going to have to be redone every week. So it doesn't matter that much. What's your plan going forward from here?
I'm trying to figure out like what's the best way to kind of scale like volume wise. It's Q4, so
Yep.
I kind of want to put out more videos, like way more videos. And I feel like, to be honest, my limit would be like like 4 or 5 accounts.
This is what you should be doing. I fully agree with you. Now figured out the basics. Now the goal should be just setting up as many accounts as possible and reinvesting money into accounts to just be able to scale in volume. This is 100% the more, like, for sure.
What I want to ask you, bro, is like, what do you think about like getting one more person in with me, like hiring one more person?
It makes sense as long as you have enough accounts. Do you have, like, are you full by yourself right now?
At the moment, I've got 3. I could probably take on like 2 more, like 2 more accounts. And I was thinking because the Fijian currency is a lot, like if I bring like US money is more than double my Fijian currency. So I was thinking of like hiring someone here who could also like post videos for me and stuff.
Because it's very much cheaper to pay them.
Yes.
If you know somebody local who you think is going to be good, it could make sense. You obviously have to keep in mind that you can't really scale without good accounts. This is something which is important. You need to have enough accounts. And then you can also incentivize them well. You can give them hourly pay, but then you can also give them a commission from the profit. You can give them between 10 and 30, 35% sometimes, depending on how good they are, of whatever you make as the commission. And then you give that to them, and then they're going to be more incentivized. It makes sense, but keep in mind, it makes even more sense to first max out the accounts. Like first max out the accounts until your day is kind of full, and then we can take it from there. It's a very simple game plan over here. Like we're just gonna do more of what you're doing right now. It's very, very, very simple. It's not even any crazy changes needed. No, nothing. Let's just do more of this.
And the accounts from like Pepe and the mentorship, it's too good, man. Like, because the violations are unreal.
Yeah,
I had more accounts, but I got hit with some violations. But it's good to know that I just sent Pepe a message and he's like, bro, reach out to this guy, get more accounts.
Yeah, and this whole account space is also annoying as shit. Like there's so many bad account sellers. It's super annoying. And even with good account sellers, sometimes your account just gets banned very fast. So it's like the whole space is super annoying. And I would say this is the main bottleneck, which is just there with Shop Affiliate. This is the main struggle you're going to face overall in the long run. And the main thing is just to overcome that with either money or time. Like you either just farm accounts by yourself or you buy a bunch of accounts to minimize risk. This is a super important thing, and you should be investing a lot of time into making sure that you have enough accounts and you're able to even post more. Because unlike like with organic, you can just scale by posting more and by working more hours. Here, you can't work more hours if you don't have enough accounts. What are you going to do in these hours? You're not going to post more. So, this is it's super important. For everyone who's watching right now, if you're interested in joining the program, it's basically us looking at your videos, giving you the right prompts, and making sure that you post good videos, showing you how to get accounts, giving you all the contacts, connecting you with the brands, and basically making sure that everything you need to do is done properly. Like we know which tools to use, we know which videos go viral right now. We just keep you up to date and make sure that you actually make it work. And it's very, very, very straightforward, because the beautiful thing about this mentorship is like it changed into a thing where we can give you prompts. We can give you word for word scripts, prompts for videos. We can give you the AI tools where you use that prompt to make a video, and you just do that. And it's like it's so much less creativity than with organic. It's just less stress, etc. So yeah, if you're interested in joining, click the link below, sign up for a free consultation session. We're going to see if it's a good fit.